In this video, we'll see as AlarmTraq receives an alarm from a Nortel CS1000. The CS1000 has already been configured to send traps to AlarmTraq using load 117 and is beyond the scope of this video. We're just going to concentrate on setting up AlarmTraq to receive the alarms, and we'll take it from there. First thing we're going to need to do is we're going to open up our system-wide options. We're going to verify that SNMP has been set up in system-wide. So I'll click on the SNMP tab, and SNMP Manager has already been enabled with a community string of public. You have to make sure that the community string matches the community string you've already programmed into the CS1000. So we're ready to receive a trap. So first thing I'll do is I'll go to the SNMP trap viewer, which when first started shows all of the MIB files that have been loaded. These are customizable, and we'll just wait for an alarm to come in from the switch. And there we go. We just received the trap from IP address 192.168.1.110, and AlarmTraq sees the alarm itself as being a DTA 021. So now if we go back to AlarmTraq, we'll see that the alarm has been registered against an unknown Nortel because this particular switch has never been configured in our site profiles before. So I can go into the site profiles and just edit the existing record. I'll find the unknown Nortel coming from that same IP address, and I'll give it a real name. We'll call this Johnson Manufacturing. I'll give it an email. And flag it for majors, minors, and warning messages. Now the next time an alarm comes in from that particular site, it'll be able to identify it by the new site profile we just created. So we'll wait for another alarm to come in for this switch. And there it is. In this case it's an INI 000 from Johnson Manufacturing. And as we see down here, the message has been sent to the appropriate email address. Let's take a look at that. There's a new email, the AlarmTraq server, identifying the site, Johnson Manufacturing, and identifying the alarm. In this case, it's an INI 000. It also tells us a little bit about the alarm in a plain English format. This information is taken straight from the new Nortel maintenance object database, which contains over 13,000 alarm definitions from Nortel systems. These definitions can be changed at will, but for the most part they're straight out of the NTPs. And that's about it for alarms coming from Nortel switches, direct SNMP.